phakathi kwethu
In our midst,
sino Comrade Niehus
we have our comrade Niehus,
ofike nje late, that is why ngakanga introduce.
who has just arrived late. That is why he was not introduced.
Mhlawumbe ngaphakama nibulise.
Maybe he may stand and come and greet.
Amandla. Viva ATM, viva! Viva ATM, viva! Viva ARETA, viva! Viva ARETA, viva! Honorable Chief Apostle,
Ohloniphekileyo umpostile oyintloko,
the President of the ATM, Comrade Niehus,
umongameli we-ATM,
all the leaders of the ATM present and leaders of other political parties.
zonke iinkokheli zemibutho ekhoyo apha.
My sincere apologies that I arrived late. My
Ngixolisa-
flight was delayed.
Ndixolisa kakhulu ibhanoyi lam liye ladileya kungakho ndifike late.
I greet all of you, and I greet you for the sake of our beloved country.
Ndinibulisa nonke egameni lelizwe lethu elihle.
I listened very carefully to the speech that the President of the ATM delivered.
Ndimamele kakuhle umyalezo besewunikwa ngupresident we-ATM.
And I must say there's nothing in that speech that I do not agree with 100%.
Ndivumelana nanto yonke ebeyithetha 100%.
So I ask myself, how are we going into these elections as so many different political parties when we agree 100% with each other?
Ngaba intoni na isenza ukuba siye kwezi elections sihlukahlukene siziphathi ezininzi ukuba sivumelana nganto yonke esiyithethayo.
We must put the interests of our people and our nation first.
Kumele sibeke izidingo zabantu kuqala.
I've been asked by the National Executive of ARETA to bring one message to you at this auspicious occasion.
Ndicelwe sisikhungo esiphezulu sika-ARETA kuba ndizise lo mlayelezo kuni.
And Chief Apostle, that message is unity.
Lo myalezo uthi makuhlanganwe.
Let all of us unite in order to save our nation.
Makumele kuba sihlangane sonke kuze sikhulule ilizwe lethu.
Let us unite around the policies that were so clearly expressed by the President of the ATM today, because those are also the policies that ARETA and all the other progressive left political parties in South Africa stand for.
Masihlangane kuzo ezi policy namhlanje besizinikwa ngoba zonke i-political parties ezivumelanayo ziyakwazi ukuthetha into enye.
Divided, we will fail.
Ukuba sihlukene sizawufeyila.
And next year we dare not fail, because we cannot continue with this failed ANC government, because it is destroying our country. So in order to make sure that we don't fail, let us unite as one united force and go as an alliance of united progressive political parties into the elections of 2024. That is what our nation deserves. That is what our people want. We've got great young leaders, such as the president of the ATM, Comrade Niehus. It is time for us as the older people to hand over the baton of leadership to President Niehus and other younger leaders so that we can build a future for the youth. I thank you, Chief Apostle, you gave me the opportunity to speak, although I came late. For that, I'm very grateful. And the only message I want to reverberate from this speech that I made now is, may us all find unity amongst each other. Because next year, if we are united as the people of this country, we will be able to save our country and bring a future of economic justice, of legal justice, of justice for the youth, and especially for a return of the land to the people. The land belongs to the people, to the indigenous people of this country, not to the white colonists who stole the land from the people. Let us empower our people through the return of the land, and also, again, through bringing the traditional leaders of our country back to their rightful place of authority. I thank you for this opportunity. I greet you in the name of unity. I greet you with that big slogan of the people of Mozambique, of the people throughout the world who are part of our liberation struggle. A luta continua. A luta continua. May God bless the ATM. May God bless South Africa. May God bless the president of the ATM, Comrade Niehus. May God bless the chief apostle and also the spiritual leader of the African Transformation Movement. Amandla! Amandla! Viva ATM, viva! Viva ARETA, viva! Viva ATM, viva! Thank you very much.